If a patient's interested in replacement of teeth using dental implants for a full arch replacement, it has evolved significantly through the years. It used to be multiple surgeries, multiple healing, even years of treatment to get to the end result. Technology and the things we use at Blank Dental Group now allows that to be done in weeks, and oftentimes even just one day visit to have that treatment fully completed to the point of having permanent teeth. All-on-4 is a very generic term for what is now known as a complete replacement of teeth using implants, and it's an immediate placement of those permanent teeth. At Blank Dental Group, we use 4 implants, up to 6, 7, 8 implants sometimes, depending on the quality of the bone, the amount of bone the patient has. But the goal is to plan these cases off of their cosmetic and aesthetic needs and work backwards using surgical guides, technology, 3-dimensional technology to create a one-day surgery for somebody to replace their teeth permanently. Missing teeth is more of a disease than just not having your teeth. The inability to chew, the lack of confidence, inability to speak properly, breathing, and airway is a huge problem with people that are missing their teeth. So the benefits of having your teeth replaced with dental implant retention or being held in by a complete set of dental implants brings you back the quality of life as if you had teeth. It can bring you back to a level of health before you had tooth problems, and it can help you maintain that health throughout the rest of your life. When somebody comes to Blank Dental Group and asks for a consultation on missing teeth, one of the things we evaluate is, are their teeth terminal? Are they completely missing teeth? Those are the people that really are the candidates for this full arch replacement of teeth using dental implants. And so this option really is for somebody that wants that quality of life as good as it can be, and also wants to enjoy the later years in life without having to worry about things going on with their mouth and the deterioration of their oral health. Myself and the doctors at Blank Dental Group surround ourselves with wonderful people that do the same procedures we do, use the same techniques we do, but what it's done is it has allowed us to know what is best for our patients, what technology is best, what techniques are the best, and when it's something that we need to work with a colleague on. We want our patients to be safe, but we want them to have the best result they can have, and that is our focus at Blank Dental. Blank Dental Group, myself, the other providers here, we love to consult with patients. We love to give opinions, second opinions on treatment needs. We are here to educate you first and let you decide with us on what's best for you. So if you want to learn more about these implant procedures or cosmetic procedures or even a simple procedure, feel free to call us just for a consultation.